everybody. I'm back again with my newest journal. This is it's called Fabulous, Tropical Fabulous. I love this journal. I got the idea because I had purchased rolls of whatever, like 1.5 wide or something, pieces of material. And they all come, they're themed or color coordinated, got it at Joann's or something. And each one of these was in that roll. So I thought I'll sew them together and make a cover out of it. And that was the inspiration for the journal to begin with. So the cover is material, and then I've got papers on here. And the ribbon is actually 3 ribbons. It's a very pale yellow, with a green, lime green and orange. I thought they would really brighten it up. And if you look at the cover, I don't know if you can see up close, but this is pineapples and they're gold. And then the tropical bird and tropical flowers. This actually came out of Luise Heinzl, a kit that ephemera kit that I bought from her. So that's her design. So when you open it up, oh my gosh, I just love these colors. Look at these. This is, I think you can see it in the camera. These are gold hearts. Just beautiful. So this journal is 3 signatures, 3 pretty good signatures, but still room to expand for your own mementos or whatever. So usually when I build them, I do 2 journals that are similar, because while I'm building and creating ephemera, it's just as easy to make 2. In this case, I just made 1 journal, so there is just 1 of these. And however, each signature is similar, just different graphics, that type of thing. So let's get through. So this is a ruffle that I sewed, a paper ruffle. This is an altered paper clip. Really cute, huh? And these papers right here, I actually dyed with food coloring. Instead of like coffee dyed, this is food coloring. And this says, enjoying all the good stuff. And here's a collaged paper that I made, and then a corner pocket. And it has a tag for journaling, backed with some dyed paper and a little pad. And here's a a horizontal belly band with a journaling card with a pineapple on it. And here's a belly band with a folder. These graphics are Luise Heinzl. I'll link her stuff below where I got the graphics from. And this is just a journaling spot. So it's a faux envelope, and you just tuck that in there. And this is like some washi tape right here, peace signs. And here's a pocket with a tag, Dance in the Rain, for journaling. And this actually has a material pull on it that matches the material on the front. This is a collaged page and a place for journaling. And this is just a journaling card. And here's a pocket with a butterfly and a postcard, like kind of retro postcard. There's a lot of journaling space in my journals. When I create them, I try to leave a lot of space for writing. These are little journal spots made into faux envelopes. And there's a belly band with just a piece of paper for journaling. And this right here is actually It was an old scrapbook paper, and I really didn't care much for the paper, so I think in another spot in the book as well, I cut the actual flower out and then I just colored it. And that's what that's from. And this is a stamp that I had with some distress ink. And this is the same stamp here, but with different colors. And this is a piece of journaling paper, but it's watercolored. Just watercolors is all. And these are just tuck cards. Get this card here. I've got like you can see it on the back better, a leaf motif that I sewed on there. And then this is a piece of watercolor paper as well. Don't you love these colors? It's so bright. And again, here's, because we're into the second signature, so again the same, but look at this is the altered paper clip here, and this one is the altered paper clip. So you see they both have a clip, but they're different graphics. And again, same thing, just different graphics. And this is a flip. This is Tropical Paradise. It's a little pad of paper. This backing right here is paper from my collage glue book. What happens is when I have scraps of paper, I put them in a book, and I'll probably do a video of how I do that. And then I color coordinate the pages. So if I have a lot of green, I separate my scraps into colors, and then I glue them into the book depending on the color, and that way I can make a tag, a page, whatever from those collage sheets. And then this one in particular, I scanned, and so I was able to use it as a full sheet. And here's another belly band. Look at this right here, this bathing suit. And here's the folder from this one. This one has got a Luise Heinzl graphic on it. Look at this band. This is another one of those flowers that I just colored because I wasn't crazy over it. Here's a faux envelope journaling space. And there's a tag. This and the tag are actually Luise Heinzl. And this is collage paper. Collage paper. I try to break up the blank pages too. This is just a journaling card. And look at this retro postcard. Pretty cool, huh? This is another, you can see this is a butterfly, and I colored it. This one's yellow, this one's green. This is just a decoration on here. And again, some faux envelopes for journaling. There's another one of the flowers that I colored, and a piece of paper for journaling. Lots of journaling space in here. Look at this. Another watercolor paper. Is that cool or what? It actually got the lines from the grate that I had it on in my oven. And then this pocket here, it says be strong and courageous, has a journaling card here, one that has the stitching on it, and then another watercolor paper. Just different graphics in each signature, but kind of similar, and so much space to add your own ephemera or whatever in there. Now I'm going to flip right through this one pretty quick because it matches the others. Just notice the difference in the graphics. I can do anything. This one says Summer Breeze, pad of paper. This one has a sea turtle as a graphic on there. Folder. Here's some of those flowers. folder. It's got a flamingo on it. And this tag says Dream It. And there's pink flamingos here. Oh, my puppy's barking. Here's some fish that I colored. Collage paper. Another journaling space. Get the postcard. This is the belly band with paper. And this is the watercolor page. These are flowers from a Luise Heinzl kit. And a couple of journaling cards in here. And a watercolor card. And in every journal that I sell, I include my own piece of artwork, like a print of one of my originals, and I don't have one placed in here just yet. Usually it's kind of a surprise when you get it. So this journal is going to go in my Etsy shop as soon as I get the listing up, and it will have a piece of my original artwork in there, signed. Usually it's just like a 4x6 print. But I absolutely loved this journal, and I loved the colors and that, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for supporting me, for supporting my channel. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, comment. I would love to have comments. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.